Did you voice act a powerful, immortal demigod? Duet this and show us. Good luck.
Why would I begin the bargain with a mortal? I don't think you grasp the meaning of immortality. Even in captivity, I will outlive you. I will outlive your children, your children's children, and so on, for as many generations as it takes. And if I am not freed, then I will simply wait for the stone of my prison to crumble, the metal of its bars to corrode. Even if it takes 100 millennia, I will be free. So by all means, keep me captive for as long as you wish. No amount of time you can fathom compares to the eternity that I have and will live.